And we are back. How are you feeling, Flynn?
I'm great.
ATF is still in there. We were expecting it to move down a little bit. It did not.
No.
So, do we have much hope?
No. Maybe.
Maybe. We'll hope.
But I got this.
Yes, we do have this.
And the key to breaking shit loose is torque.
So go like that. And these are good because these grip around cylindrical surfaces.
Ah, so it won't like...
It won't slip.
Will it clamp the threads though?
No.
No.
Huh?
Not with this amount of force.
Okay. Well, yeah, we'll chuck it on time.
Until you can't see anymore.
Break
Straight to
your
your
life.
face when I'm bored. Lockdown got me fucked up no more. 2 years just disappears like Britney Spears. Like I ain't never seen this before. Nah, bitch, you ain't never seen this before. Delivery man left the shit at the door. Wait, dog, I've been tripping on my way, dog. I've been tripping. Nah, I ain't really feeling right. Sun comes out when I ride my bike. Just in the sky, gotta take my flight. Don't know why, but I'm beaming high on the beacon. Take a seat and just breathe in. Run up the track, I no sleeping. I got no interest for demons. I got no interest for demons. Yeah, bitch, that demon shot. What the fuck you want when I'm running? I can't suck you up. Okay, bitch, just get it started. Demon shot. What the fuck you want? Bitch, that demon shot. Demon shot. What the fuck you want? Bitch, that demon shot. It's the head waiting outside.
So we have unseized the fucking coilovers.
Yeah, good news.
It's moving. So, ATF works. Pipe French works. We have successfully unseized the fucking coilover. Well, one of two. I'm just gonna keep raising it. I don't give a fuck. This thing's being raised to the highest fucking possible setting and then putting it back in.
Back in the car.
Maybe. Depending on how I'm feeling.
Fuck. How long has it been?
Oh, fucking yonks, man. We've been...
It's been, no, since I said that challenge first.
Oh, fuck, maybe like, yeah, 3 days.
It's been 3 days.
It's been 3 days.
Fuck.
Fuck. We shouldn't be celebrating this, but we are.
What? Actually not. Why am I helping you?
Yeah, we should have been discouraging. You know what we should? I should just start, like, pushing him over. There you go.
Josh, don't do this.
Yeah, oh, no, don't fall over.
I have to get this done.
Hey, Josh, it'd be a shame if you fell backwards. You're out of control, you can't.
Alright, now he's lost the challenge.
Yep, you lost. No more HSPs, motherfucker.
You know what? Because you helped so much, I'll take it down to 1 or 2 weeks, up to yours choice.
Okay.
1 week.
I'll do 2 weeks.
I'll do 1 week. Fuck you,
I'll be
Josh.
generous, I'll do 2 weeks.
Fuck you, Josh. 1 week. In all seriousness, though, I feel like we should say this. It is pretty good to see them unstuck. Because that would have been, what, another $2 down the drain just for coils.
We saved him $2
Yeah.
Yes.
with a $60 pipe wrench I bought today.
Yeah, and ATF.
An ATF that we used last night.
Yeah.
An ATF that I bought probably like a year ago.
But you can see how completely
Fucked.
fucked they are.
Yeah, those threads. We should probably warn you, don't do this. Unless you absolutely have to, don't do this.
Well, I'm gonna title this video how to unseize your coilovers. Unless your coilovers
Maybe
are
title it like
fucked.
how to unseize coils the wrong way.
Let's have a look.
Oh,
Jesus.
That's why you put anti-seize in your coilovers.
Do we have
guys.
it? I don't think my dad would have any anti-seize. The thing is, it's going to be heightened all the way the fuck up. I don't care if it looks like higher than the stock one. At least it'll be funny.
buys coils, raises car. There's nothing wrong with that, by the way. You can buy coils and raise your car, you just look like a retard.
And guess what? My car's retarded enough as is, so we're doing it.
Also, viewers, if anyone happens to see this, if anybody has a 60 series Land Cruiser or an 80 series Land Cruiser, manual or auto, you know, I don't really give a shit, with like fuckloads of kilometers, do me a favor and sell that to me. That's back.
Yep.
So in all seriousness, if you do have a 60 series or an 80 series, message me. Or a 75 series ute, but it has to be manual. So
I only accept donations. If you want to donate one to me, I'm happy to take it.
yeah, we should be called Land Cruiser Disposal Service. If you have one that you don't like, Go and send it. Send it.
Yeah, we'll
to us.
dispose of it for you.
We'll dispose of it for you in a nice, safe, environmentally friendly way.
Actually, we accept payment.
we
for disposing of your Land Cruiser.
payment. Yeah, we do. Not only do we accept it, we expect it.
Fucking look at these threads. Oh, Jesus.
I don't think I've ever been more sad looking at coilovers. Purple is usually a happy colour, but now it's sad.
I'm gonna raise it all the way up and slap some WD-40 on there. Just to cut through the rust. Yeah.
Use anti-seize, man.
Alright, let's get the fucking torch out.
Alright.
Look at the threads.
Here we go,
So you
guys.
can see where the ATF stopped. Stopped around there, so that was all gunk.
Mm-hmm.
And if we look in here,
Fuck me.
that is bad.
That is worse.
Yes.
That's oh my goodness.
Alright, so I reckon...
I've seen toilet paper come out cleaner than that.
Yeah, so I suppose I'm gonna leave this sitting in anti-seize and WD-40 and every other type of rust preventant
Or,
shit.
here's a
I've
bright
got.
idea. You could just buy like that CRC rust stuff. That'll help. Vapor rust, I think it's called.
Cutting oil?
No.
Dude, I'm putting my fingers through the threads and it's just gunky.
Yep. Where'd the WD-40 go? Oh, yeah.
Could even use brake cleaner as well.
Oh my fucking
Jesus Christ,
god.
Look at that. I've never seen coils do that. Oh, that's gross. You know what else I'm realizing now?
What?
We are in a locked shed with no ventilation, spraying heaps of like brake cleaner and WD-40.
Hey, the door's open.
Door's open.
Oh, is it? Oh, okay.
A crack.
This is a first.
This is the first. I haven't seen anything like this before.
And that's why they're friends with me.
No, we're not.
Oh, we're not friends.
We're only
Okay.
friends with you because we feel sorry for you and your stupid cars.
What I would suggest, try and take that off that.
Yeah, take the end cap off.
Oh, fuck. I'm not gonna be able to. Oh. It's copped it enough.
Okay, let's leave it then.
It's copped it enough.
Pull that out again.
Pour it out.
Oh.
On grass, man. Could have just gone outside. That's so gross.
Holy shit.
Well, we gotta hope your dad doesn't come in here.
It's Guinness.
It's Guinness, yeah. It looks the same. Probably smells the same too.
Probably tastes the same.
No, Guinness doesn't taste or smell anything like fucking this.
That was a joke at how shit Guinness is.
Probably tastes
Okay, coming from an Italian man saying it to an Irishman.
And we're back to square one.
Yeah.
For one of them.
So, what's happened, basically... put my hood on. Because coldness. What's happened, basically, is... The first one came off relatively easily.
Easier than this.
Easier than this. This one, however, is super stuck. So what we're going to do for this is let it sit in some ATF to kind of loosen up some of the gunk that's on the threads that's kind of stopping it from coming loose. Once we let that sit for, I don't know, half a day, something like that.
Yeah.
Come back, give another shot with the pipe wrench, get someone to hold tension on the
little cap bit.
on the little cap bit, which we took off, which is this. And from there, see if we can crack it loose and fix some of those threads, see what we can do, see if we can raise it.
Yeah.
The other one, where's the other one? I'll show them.
Over there.
So the other one, if you come with me, viewers, is, can't really see very well because of darkness. Fixed. So that little lock nut in there was not moving. I'm sure you can see with the damage on some of the threads there. It's not particularly brilliant. So they're letting it sit in ATF to kind of soak and clear up some of that other stuff. Once it does that, the plan is being able to move this little thing in the middle so we can raise the height and get them back to working in operational condition.
Yeah.
Okay, Josh.
Yeah.
Other than that,
I
Yeah.
can say this.
we're just seeing what we can do.
You still have a month.
Yes.
I said both.
Yes, you did say both.
So
There you go. A twist in our deal has shown up.
I did say, I think in the video I said coilovers.
Can we have a cut into the video where Flynn said coilovers?
I accept this. I do accept this.
So you're halfway there, mate.
Yeah.
You're halfway there.
I've saved 1.5k out of the $2,000 that I spent. Because 4 coilovers, $2,000, $500 each.
Yep.
$500 down the drain so far.
Quick maths.
2 + 2 is 4, -1, that's 3, quick maths.
I guess.
Yeah.
But yeah, I will be back here tomorrow.
we've got a ways to go, but we'll.
So we got one out.
We did. One coil was out. We'll go back at it again tomorrow, see what they decide to do.
Yeah, and if it comes out tomorrow, they're going back in the car.
Before your defect appointment, or
No.
Okay,
Because I'm going tomorrow, so after I finish that, I'll go to home, go at it, comes out.
But anyways, we did raise the fronts of camera.
Yes, we did, and went very well in comparison.
Yeah, the clipper box that we used, it fits right over it. It's about, we have a tolerance of 5 to 10 mil.
Yeah.
So over the legal limit. So
So because we got your 105 mil little disc, and it went everywhere, basically fine.
Yeah, nice and easy.
So height's fine, just the rears.
the rears.
Yeah.
Yeah. So again, you still haven't completed your challenge that I gave you. So that's still you're only halfway there.
Yeah.
Big
So-
things coming up, guys. So stay tuned, stick around.
Yeah.
There's always big things coming up.
Adios, motherfuckers.